Are you looking for cheap, but good quality solo ads traffic that converts like crazy? Since you're watching this video, you probably have an idea on what solo ads are. It's the traffic generated by sending emails to a list of subscribers interested in your particular niche. Our traffic is known to convert, and we are considered one of the top traffic providers in the industry. Are you tired of buying fake, unresponsive, and cheap solo ads that don't work? Then you start wondering if you can make any money from them at all. We are known in the industry to introduce new ideas, and the best converting strategies to generate quality clicks. We also use a variety of traffic sources, that gets buyers onto your subscriber lists. We use the latest bot prevention and detection methods, as well as list cleaning services, strategies and software. You will receive at least 85% of the traffic from the Tier 1 countries. USA, Canada, UK, New Zealand and Australia, these are rich, English-speaking countries, that maximize the potential of a sale. Our clients keep coming back to buy more and more premium solo ad traffic that converts, and produce sales for them consistently. We know what it's like when you buy traffic from a vendor, company, or even a well-known trusted source, and things do not seem quite right. We also know all the dirty secrets that plague the traffic industry, like bots, spammy emails, and spammy ways people grow their list, as well as people who keep sending clicks to other solo ad sellers, over and over again, which decreases your chances of sales. Be aware of these 4 things. Number 1. Your offer has to be in the biz op, or make money online niche. Beginner or newbie level preferred. Number 2. You cannot spam the subscribers you get, or use grossly misleading headlines etc. Number 3. You have to understand that solo ads are not a magic pill that will print money. Number 4. You need to work to optimize your funnel, your conversions, and your sales. Now you can finally profit with solo ads, and build a responsive buyers list. You will make money every time you send your email list an offer. Click the link in the description below, to find out more.